Hello and what's popping, awesome people, and in today's lecture I'm going to show you how to create a Teespring account and basically how to set it up for the maximum profit. Okay, so the first things first, go to google.com, google.send, google.lt, google.whatever, google.com will work perfectly. Go in there, type in Teespring, go there. Right, that's easy. And now we just want to start designing, right? So click on start designing, log in. Nope, we don't have an account yet. Let's say that, and already have an account. Okay, well, we need to create a new account, right? So for email, type in your whatever email. For password, whatever password. Let's just repeat it. I'm probably not a robot. Let's sign up. Oh, sorry. That's just that's wrong email. Sorry. Let's do that and we'll see what we get. Right? That's so pretty excited. I'm so pretty excited. Yay! And we got stuff in here. We got stuff awesome in here, and it's just, I don't know if we can, they are just offering us straight away some canvas. They changed it, they changed it. Okay, well, let's start with apparel. Okay, whatever. Let's just click on apparel. You already saw that we can create different apparel, different kind of products, cases, pillows, whatever, right? And we get, and eventually at the start we get this, right? And as I said before, base cost with current pricing discounts is $10.22. When we add more like designs on this, the base cost will increase, but your cost will increase too. But in today's lecture we're not going to do any of this stuff. We are just going to go to our settings. Okay, let's just go to settings, and they say account created. Really great. Public name, we probably want to just Brian Story. That's pretty interesting, but not today, Brian. And we want to change our info, maybe phone numbers and stuff like this, right? Country, I'm not in the United States, I'm based in Lithuania. It's a pretty small country in Eastern Europe. It's a pretty good one. Don't judge. And advanced settings. Okay, we'll start with advanced settings and launch preferences. Display share options after launch, right? So after each launch, show step-by-step flow to easily share your products with potential buyers. Why not, right? Display share options, those are like sharing to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever. Of course, we want to do that for the maximum virality. Product listing, display preferences, do not show sales count at all. Well, you know that sales like bar where it decreases once you get a sale. We probably don't want to do that because we want to, like, you know, if someone will see that we get a lot of sales, they are going to just copy our designs or whatever. There are a bunch of copycats who want to basically copy other designs, and we do not show sales count at all, so we are basically our secret people. Show timer on always available listings. Of course we want to do that. So increase your sales. So this is pretty much important. Well, first of all, we want to leave everything on. Okay, so now I'm going to basically discuss with you and show you what each of them are doing. Even though we are explaining this, and probably I'm not even that important in this lecture, but the first one is free Teespring basic retargeting. So as this pop-up says, when someone views your design but does not buy, Teespring automatically runs retargeting on your behalf. Teespring retargeting drives on an average of 5-10% boost. So for example, my name is Kevin. I saw your design on Facebook. I clicked on it. I see your design. Well, it's pretty good. I like it. But I don't know. I just clicked away on it. I just closed the tab, whatevers. After some time, Kevin goes to Facebook, Instagram, whatevs, and he is going to see your t-shirt again. Okay, so your product again. So even though they will see the same t-shirt on their newsfeed, and this is really, really crucial because Teespring is going to do this on your own without cutting any like percentages, without cutting any losses, without like trying to get money from you. We are going to do this on your behalf absolutely for free, and you really want to make sure that you are checking this thing on. Okay, the second one is enable boosted retargeting. So this is where, well, boosted retargeting amplifies the benefits of our basic retargeting by securing more valuable ad placements. For each sale, Teespring brings you $6.70 off. The profit will go towards covering that premium advertising cost. So basically, Teespring is going to advertise your t-shirts on your behalf on different social media platforms or even on Google AdWords, right? So they are going to boost retargeting it, and you are going to basically pay $6.75 per sale. Well, you might think, well, we are asking me for $6.75 from my sale. How is this even good? Well, if Kevin, our imaginary friend, is going to see that ad and he's going to click on that through Teespring ad, he's going to buy it. Well, it's like, it's, if you're not going to check this one, well, you're not going to get sales at all, right? So that's a free sale, right? From Teespring. Why not? Let's just leave it. Why the heck not? It's a free sale. You're going to get a sale. Of course, we are going to get a cut from you, pretty much a big one cut, but if you're not going to check this one, you're probably not going to get sale at all, right? The third one, Teespring boosted product listing ads. Again, this is the same thing as above. We just want to leave it as it is. Enable sales through Teespring email marketing. Again, this is everything. This is really, really crucial too, because Teespring is really, really popular. And as the fifth step, of course, the fourth step should be ticked. And the fifth step is even more crucial. Feature my campaigns in the Teespring marketplace. And if we go to alexa.com/site-info and we just type in teespring.com and click on find, you will see that Teespring is pretty popular website, right? Ranking in the United States is 1,517, and we are actually getting a lot of traffic from United States. We are getting a huge traffic actually. We have some kind of downside now, but we are really huge. And if you're not going to check this one, well, you are missing out a bunch of sales. And 6 and 7 also basically saying that Teespring is going to boost our t-shirts designs, any designs at all, through their network. And you really want to make sure that you are checking all of these, okay, all of these. And at the end is just what else they are asking us. And once we are going to start basically our campaigns, we are going to start designing our t-shirts, we are going to see way more like, way more options of the settings in here and in there. Okay, so that's pretty much for this lecture. I mean, that's just really self-explanatory lecture where I'm just wanting to show you different things on Teespring, and that's pretty much it. Okay, I will see you as always, of course, in the next lecture, right? Bye.